is no verifiable definition of soul or spirit.
I disagree with that. The question is, do they exist or not?
Heaven and hell can exist as an imagination. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence before we can accept them as realities.
At some point, you got to figure out how much evidence do you actually need?
Until somebody shows me evidence, I can't say it exists.
If you applied that rationale, you would never make it through chapter 1 of any scientific textbook. How did you do that experiment? How do I know that you didn't cheat? You were getting grant money, weren't you? That's secondary gain. How do I know you didn't lie? If you don't want to believe it, you can always keep picking at it to the point where it becomes absurd.
Natural explanation must be eliminated before you give a supernatural explanation. You don't conjure up some entity that you cannot verify. That's called imagination.
Indirect evidence is evidence. Unless there's a conspiracy.
I want to respectfully request you not to put words in my mouth.
What word did I put in your mouth?
No, listen to me,
how condescending that is?
Okay, I'm going to stop you there. We need to go to the next question.
Do you keep probing and keep probing until you find a hole somewhere? At some point, common sense kicks in and says, you know what? That's enough.
The most important point is when you have faith, which is different than science, you can assume anything to exist anywhere the way you want.
When you see this 20, 30, 40, 60 times, you get the picture. Put that together with all the other doctors who've reported similar phenomenon, it makes sense to me.